Welcome to Zukkun Knows. Once upon a time, war was fought with swords and shields. Then came rifles, tanks, and nukes. Now the next evolution is here, and it doesn't sleep, feel pain, or question orders. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming global militaries. But could it take over entirely? Let's look at how close we really are to AI-controlled warfare. 1. From strategy games to real battlefields, AI was once a toy for gamers and sci-fi lovers. But today, it's being trained in simulations to play military strategy games better than humans. Some of these systems are already being used by generals to simulate combat scenarios. 2. Killer drones are already real autonomous drones that can identify, track, and kill targets already exist. In 2020, a Turkish-made drone reportedly made a kill in Libya without human input. That's not science fiction, that's reality. And more nations are developing similar systems. 3 AI commanders, the new generals. AI systems can analyze massive amounts of battlefield data faster than any human. They can suggest troop movements, resource allocations, even strategy. In a future war, you may see human soldiers, but AI calling the shots from behind the scenes. 4. The rise of swarm drones. One of the most chilling developments is AI-controlled drone swarms. These are small, inexpensive drones that can communicate and coordinate attacks like insects. A swarm can overwhelm defenses and decide in real time who to target. 5. Predictive warfare. Knowing the enemy before they move. AI is being used to predict enemy behavior based on historical data, surveillance, and real-time intel. This allows preemptive actions, but it also raises ethical questions. What if AI wrongly predicts someone as a threat? 6. The ethics problem. Who's responsible? When an AI kills the wrong person, who's to blame? The programmer? The commanding officer? The machine? Military AI introduces a moral black hole with no clear accountability. 7. Cyber warfare. Powered by AI. Not all wars are fought with bullets. AI is being used in cyber attacks to find system vulnerabilities, impersonate targets, and breach firewalls. It's fast, adaptive, and doesn't need to sleep. 8. The global arms race. China, the US, Russia, Israel, and others are all racing to dominate the AI battlefield. Unlike nuclear weapons, there's no treaty controlling AI warfare. Whoever gets there first could control the rules. 9. Could AI decide to start a war? This is where things get scary. If AI controls missile systems, drone fleets, and military infrastructure, a bug, hack, or rogue algorithm could trigger a real conflict. No human oversight, no turning back. 10. Final thoughts. AI in the military isn't coming. It's already here. The question is no longer if, but how far will it go? And when machines make the call, will humanity still be in control? Thanks for watching Zukkun Knows. Stay sharp, stay informed. And remember, war might one day be fought in silence by code. And if you want to keep uncovering the truth with us, make sure to subscribe.